Wait, where's my charger?
Which one?
Don't play with me. The charger. My charger. The only charger. I just had it. I swear, I put it right here.
Right here. Where? This table? That table? Or your invisible table?
Very funny. I'm serious. My phone is at 5%.
Oh no! Emergency situation! Should I call the police?
This is not funny. If my phone dies, I die.
You said that yesterday too, and the day before.
Okay, let me think. I was using it, then I sat here, then I stood up.
Then you forgot.
I did not forget.
You forget where your phone is while holding it.
That happened one time.
3 times.
Maybe it's in my bag.
Your bag is like a black hole. Things go in, never come out.
I found lipstick, tissue, snacks.
Snacks? Oh, nice!
Don't touch that. Focus. No charger.
Did you leave it in the bedroom?
Wait, maybe. It's not here.
Check under the pillow.
Why would it be under the pillow? Do I sleep with my charger now?
You sleep with your phone, so close enough.
This is bad. This is really bad.
Wow, I've never seen you this worried, not even about me.
You have your own charger.
Wow, okay, that hurts.
Wait,
What?
where is your charger?
Right here.
This is my charger.
What? No, it's mine.
Look, this tiny scratch, I made that.
Oh, that? That could be anyone's scratch.
You took my charger.
I didn't take it, I just borrowed it. Permanently.
Permanently?
Sharing is caring.
Oh, really? Then give it back. Show me your caring.
Well, the thing is,
What did you do?
I left it at the office.
You what?
But it's safe, very safe, probably.
So now, both chargers are gone?
Technically, yes.
I can't believe this.
Wait, I have an idea.
What?
We can charge your phone with my laptop.
Really? Why are you quiet?
My laptop is at 2%. I think we're both going to die.
You are unbelievable.
But hey, at least we can spend time together without phones?
That actually sounds nice.
See? I planned this.
You did not.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'll buy you a new charger.
2 chargers.
2?
One for me, one that you are not allowed to touch.
Yes, ma'am.
By the way,
Yeah?
if you lose this video, don't blame me.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Comment, and subscribe.